Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload a Tableau project to GitHub using the repository import tool, so you can migrate your data visualizations from other platforms and centralize your 2026 portfolio. Let's get into it. First, access your GitHub repositories. You need to navigate to your personal storage hub on GitHub, where you can manage your existing projects and start new ones. Log in to your GitHub account. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Repositories tab. This is your command center in 2026. By entering the Repositories tab, you get a bird's eye view of all your data work. This is the starting point for organizing your portfolio and ensuring your Tableau work is properly categorized alongside your other technical skills. Next, trigger the repository import tool. Instead of creating a blank repo, we are going to use a specific link that allows for a direct data handshake from another source. Look at the top of your repositories list. Next to the New button, find and click the Import a Repository link. This will take you to a specialized page titled Import Your Project to GitHub. In 2026, the import tool is the fastest way to pull in projects that might be hosted on Bitbucket, GitLab, or even a different GitHub account. It automates the git init process for you, saving you from having to use complex terminal commands just to get your Tableau files online. Next, connect your project via clone URL. Now you need to establish the bridge between your existing project source and its new home on GitHub. On the import page, look for the box labeled Your Old Repository's Clone URL. Paste the link to your existing project repository here. This could be a link from a different version control host or a public URL where your Tableau source code is currently stored. This is the connection phase. In 2026, GitHub uses this URL to reach out to the old server and copy every single version and commit you've ever made. By pasting the link here, you aren't just uploading a file, you are migrating the entire history of your data analysis, which proves to recruiters that you've been working on this project consistently over time. And that's pretty much it. To upload your Tableau project via the import tool in 2026, click your profile picture, go to Repositories, and click Import a Repository. Paste the link to your existing project source on the import page, name your new repo, and click Begin Import to move your entire project history and Tableau files directly into GitHub. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.